Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize banking login with Chase Secure Access, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Chase website. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Enter your Chase username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled Chase Secure Access, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions for verification. You might receive a security code via text message or email. Retrieve the code from your device and enter it in the specified field. Once you input the code, click Submit to continue. After your identity is confirmed, you will be granted access to your account. If you encounter any issues, look for the Need Help link on the login page. Click on it for guidance on troubleshooting access problems. For additional security, consider updating your contact information under the account settings. Regularly review your transaction history for unusual activity. This completes your guide to authorizing banking login with Chase Secure Access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.